Did you know that you can transform your body with only 2 minutes of daily plank? Despite their difficulty, planks are one of the best core muscle strengthening exercises you can do. When you're practicing a plank, a minute feels like an hour, and you want it to be over. While other workouts may be done for hours, the thought of an hour-long plank is painful. Well, pain makes you stronger, and they may be the perfect workout for you. They work your abdominals in ways that no other exercise can, and they're also good for back pain. Planks work by involving all of your core muscles, rather than just the abs you see in the mirror when your internal core muscles are engaged. Your body begins to shape up, and you see improved results from other exercises as well. The best part about planks is the variety of exercises you can do with them. They work a wide range of muscles in addition to your core to tone them up. Your body will change if you do 2 minutes of planks every day for 30 days. Here's how you can do that. 1. Standard plank. The standard plank is the first plank variation you can try. Lie down on the floor with your elbows bent 90 degrees and your weight supported by your forearms. Your elbows should lie directly beneath your shoulders from your head to your feet, and your body should make a straight line. Hold this position for 2 minutes. Are you enjoying so far? Before we go ahead, drop a like if you do. 2. Walking plank. The walking plank is the second variation. The approach is the same as the normal plank. However, you'll be resting your weight on your arms rather than your elbows this time. Your hands should also be stacked on top of each other to relieve pressure on your arms. Once again, hold for 2 minutes. 3. Spider-Man plank. The Spider-Man plank is the third and final version. It's performed in the same way as a regular plank, but with the added step of bending one of your legs and maintaining it in the air while moving it forward. Rotate between these 3 options for at least 2 minutes each time. Please do this for the next 30 days and watch your body fully transform from how it was on day 1. This concludes today's episode. 3 planks variation to transform your body for good. Will you be taking up the challenge? Leave your comment below. We'd be happy to hear from you. If you got value from this video, like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more exciting and beneficial health facts for your body. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.